In this video, I'm going to prove that Apple pays a lot of attention to details on iOS 18. Let's go. The first thing, if you are using an AirTag, go to Find My Device app. Now on iOS 18.2, you have the option to share your AirTag location with an airline or your contact. Okay, here you can share your item location with your airline. As you can see, we have a white cover for our AirTag because now I'm on light mode. And when I switch to dark mode, you'll see that now we have an AirTag with black cover. That's crazy. The second one, just take a look at these bobs when you press a button on the iOS 18. The next one, if you have paid attention in the maps on iPhone, you see a location, and it's crazy to understand that it's the Apple Park location on America. As you can see, it's here, and when we zoom out, it's exactly near the Apple Park. And the next one, just take a look at the dynamic island animation. Regularly you have seen this, that your dynamic island goes like this, but when you cover it or send it to the edge of the phone, you will see that again. That's crazy.